Okay. Hey guys, what's up? We're back in this game. I finally got the legendary blocks, the legendary blocks, and I got the super lucky blocks. The legendary blocks are the good ones that I'm using right now, and that's how I got this thing. And I will tell you, and I will show you what it does. When I come up to opponent, I tested it out before I used it, so and it was very good. And I will show you what it does. Oh, that's my friend, but I have to do it. I want to show you my friend. Hi. I know. I know. I did that like lightning. I did that lightning. I. Oh, whoa! Stop! Brendan! Don't make me use this. You made me. Stay back. Stay back. Don't make me. Don't make me attack. I have a weapon. I have. Ha 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 ha. Nothing. Just stop me. You wanna try to freeze me, huh? Freeze me. I dare you, dare you, dare you, dare you. Hold it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Shh, no, everybody's scared of me. Stay back away from me. You know this dangerous weapon. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh, kill me. Oh no, I lost my weapon. No. No. That was a good weapon. Oh well. Alright. That's good. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Alright, I got some cannons up in here. Alright, we're gonna be. Alright, we can do this. If they see me rolling, they hating. Yeah, that's what I was wondering what that was. And I that right. Boom! Try to catch me right, and I didn't. Yonder it is. Try to catch me yonder it is. Yonder this. Try to attack. Try to touch this. Yonder this. Try to get me yonder this. Get me yonder this. You don't want to mess with this cub. Just yonder this. Get me yonder this. Ugh! Ugh! Throw it away. Ugh! 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 So you stay back. Stay back. Never go back. Go home, bud. Go home. Now I got these legendary blocks that are really good for using. Oh, I remember this bad boy. This drink. I remember this drink too. I remember this thing. I was using it. Well, I was like using stuff, waiting for the recording to be done. Okay. Yeah. That's that's that's. I explained what it. That's explained what it does. It makes a giant circle. I had to close my curtains. No freaking reasons I wanted to. All right. Anyway, back to business. What's my business? Dude, I've been like playing this game for like a very long time. I've been playing this game for like 72 minutes. It's like 10 o'clock right now. I just don't know what to do. I'm just gonna run. It's gonna be a little tiny guy. Hey, I'm little. I'm little. I am little. I am going to attack you. I will attack anyone I see. You're not going anywhere. Haha. Yonder it is. Yonder it is. Hold and release, okay? I'm gonna kill you. Get away. Laser gun, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's really cool. Okay. Oh, whoa, okay. I'm gonna use this after a little. And I'm gonna get these weapons. Yeah, okay. Now I have little tiny weapons that are. I don't feel safe. Kids use these at home. That you can spank. Buy these now, moms. You can spank these with your child if you're lucky. Now buy it now. Just cost 10.99. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Did it? Maybe it's just the force or something. I have no idea what I just did, but I'm happy. Alright. What happened to my head? When I grab the pizza store, my head gets bigger. Hey, that's cool. I get a grown size head. Oh, you think that's funny? You think that's funny? You think that's cool? You think that's cool? You think that's messed up? Messed up. I'm gonna slap you in the butt. Uh, eh, eh. Got a one-hit sword. I got a one-hit sword. Kind of, well, not really one hit, but it's a sword. It's a two-hit sword. Ah, no, I'm gonna get you, sword. I gotta get you, sword. All right, I'm gonna get, do what the heck? Life is hard. I have to reset. I don't want this kind of fun. I don't want my body to have a giant head floating. That's crazy. That's crazy. Why would you have a hat like that? Brandy. Hi. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Playing Roblox at midnight. This is not a good idea. I'm kind of tired anyway. Yeah, I'm kind of tired, so I'm just gonna see you guys later. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that smash button and subscribe, like this video or not, and I'll see you guys later. Have fun. Oh, wee! Bye, guys.